Essentially, what I talked about today is a technology or an approach that we've developed inside the Department of Biochemical Engineering, which is called the Ultra Scaledown Technology, which looks at essentially mimicking the engineering environment of large-scale processes, but on the bench top, and in such a way reducing the time, the volume, and the costs needed to do process research development. The key is that we got to a stage where we are able to predict large-scale processing using milliliter quantities of process material, which is a major advantage for a lot of companies that manufacture therapies, but also companies that work in drug development. And it really sort of removes a lot of the risks associated with taking a drug from the bench to the market, and as such, potentially the option to reduce the cost of therapies, which is really essential for the general public. Well, the importance is that it's the only way to do it. So if you want to take a drug from the bench, which is when biologists discover a drug which is very efficacious, but then what you need it to turn into a therapy is that you need to, you might have 10,000 patients a year, and you want to produce this drug in a safe way, but also in a cost-effective way, in such a way that people can actually afford to be treated with that wonderful drug that you developed. Therefore, scaling up is an essential part in going from the small scale at the bench where you discovered it to the scale where you can provide that therapy to patients.